Hey guys, welcome to Chef HD. My name is George Kringas, and today we're going to show you how to make the perfect French fry. All right, so for cutting the fries, a thicker cut just so you get a little more potato and a little more texture too. You got the crunch and then you got the fluffy potato inside. But we want basically like that thick. I don't know if you can see it really good. Probably better. And then we make our sticks. And that's what we're looking for. That's actually a perfect fry. Just keep cutting. We started in the summer of 2013. Not too many places doing hand-cut fries. A lot of people like to soak the spuds. You basically do that to get the starch off and that they don't stick in the fryer, but I'm doing such small batches. It really doesn't make any difference. Our oil is hot. And let's do our first fry. There we go. Don't fill it up too much. We want to do small batches. We like to go really slow into the oil. There we go, we should be fine. So in here, it's pretty simple. I got garlic cloves, you can see here. Garlic cloves, a couple bay leaves, and extra virgin olive oil. Trying to get all the water out. Slowly cook the garlic. Infuse that flavor into the oil. Oh man, that smells good. All right, we're looking good over here. Skins are starting to make noise, you hear them? Let's give it a feel. It's a skin forming on the outside, you can see it. Right? Right onto a sheet pan. That's our fry. So now the next step is to let these air dry, and that skin is going to stiffen up. By the second fry, we go up to 350, 375. And in the restaurant, I mean, you got to be pretty fast. So 375, the more fries you put into the basket in the restaurant, the colder the oil gets. So you want that cranking hot. So these are our peppers. Add some juice in there. All right, grab a bowl, a little mixing bowl. Get our Heinz. Squeeze some of that in there. Right. So take our peppers. This is really up to you. If you want it hot, I'd say add a bunch of them. If you want it like mild, cut back a little bit, and so on. Me, I can go either way. All right, this one's gonna be hot. See the seeds in there? Oh boy. I'm gonna take maybe about a teaspoon of this pickling liquid into your ketchup. Space. Mix that together. Smells good. Smells like cocktail sauce a little bit. The taste. Yeah, that's good. A little salt. You know, it'd be nice. Not in script, but that's how you go. That's how cooking works sometimes. Oh, I got it right in the eye, dude. Oh my God. Just a little splash of fresh lemon juice. Oh, that's got some heat. Oh yeah, feel it. Feel it right now. Woo! I got a seed in my throat, bro. Yeah, I got it. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good stuff. Hey guys, so we're gonna, I'm gonna attempt this. God, let's see how steady my hand is. Oh, look at that. Wow. Whoa, whoa. Man, you can't get more perfect than that, bud. Look at that. Huh? Let it come down to temp. Put it in your fridge and you're good for weeks. Usually doesn't last that long around here. Now for our mayo. We're gonna take some of this garlic that we just cooked off. All right. That should be good, just like that. And now we wanna use the fork. We're gonna make a paste out of that. Now you're gonna add your mayo. All right. Got our grated Parmesan. Good amount of parm. Never go too much parm. Right. And a little bit of that lemon juice we got. Boom. Almost happened again. Dangerous. Lemons are dangerous today. That looks pretty good. Not too light. Oh, dude, that's good. So it does need the lemon juice. That's the trick. You start with a little, keep adding. Really get that garlic and that parm just comes through. It's really good. I didn't start with salt because I used a lot of Parmesan, but you're always tasting and adjusting. So that's the final steps. With lemon, with salt, same goes for everything, every kind of food. You adjust the seasoning at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end, but you're constantly tasting your food. Guys, that's good. So I wanted to show you guys something now. These have been sitting, I don't know, I would say about a half an hour. They've cooled down considerably, but you can see, it's a really good camera, so you can probably pick up the textures. So you see that skin on the outside? That's what we've been trying to do here. That is the secret to making a good French fry. See? Light fingers, all right? You don't wanna put your meat hook in there and ruin all these beautiful French fries, right? Just let them sprinkle in there. And here we go, second fry. I mean, there's a difference between really crispy and burnt, so just keep that in mind. And for me, I still like that fluffiness of the potato, so I don't want to go too far, but I still like that crunch. If you got something similar, like Tupperware will work too. I just like the sound. And I own a restaurant, so we got plenty of these. Okay, so have your salt ready. I use a coarse kosher salt. I just like the feel of it. I can gauge how much salt I'm actually using. I'm getting a nice brown on this second fry, okay? That's exactly where we want to be right now. So a little lesson about oregano. They're not all created equal. This is a good, very good Greek blend. It's very, very pungent and actually a little spicy. So you gotta use a little less with this. The store-bought stuff tastes like tea leaves to me. I just don't even bother with it. You're gonna hear when they hit the bowl, that's, check these bad boys out. You hear that? Shake off that excess oil. And out right into the bowl. You hear that sound? And now quickly, and the reason I do this right after the oil, the salt sticks to that excess oil on the outside of the potato. Be generous because you got really fat potatoes over here. So a good amount of salt, right? There we go. A little bit of oregano. There we go. Just a little bit. All right. These are perfect. Now for the best part, the taste. See how they came out. I'm gonna start with the ketchup. Oh, that sauce is good. All right, so you can see we still have a potato in there, right? But the outside is like perfectly crispy. The double dip, but nobody else is here, so that's all. That ketchup came out really good. And now, oh man, that's a winner. The ketchup's good, but that's a winner. Damn. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Give me a like, thumbs up, or thumbs down. It's up to you. Click the notifications. If you like what you saw, come back. We'll have another video next week. Man, these are good. Oh, man. Shimmy, shimmy. This is crack. I'm done.